So I'm Durgesh Tiwari. I'm the VP of Hardware Systems and R&D at Simbe Robotics. And I've been in the mobile IoT hardware design space for the last 20 years. And I work at Simbe Robotics, which is a startup that's based in San Francisco. We are about 10 years old, and we operate in the retail space. So we provide technology tools based on artificial intelligence and computer vision that help retailers with real-time shelf intelligence, giving visibility to what's happening in the store on the shelves. We help them improve their operations and ultimately help them provide better experience to you and me, us shoppers who go to their stores. We are in a growth phase. We just raised our Series C round, which was led by Goldman Sachs, $50 million. And we are very excited about that. We are hiring, so if anybody's interested, please come and talk to me afterwards. The company was founded by robotics experts from Willow Garage, which was, I think some of us might know, a lab that was responsible for creating the robot operating system. It's about 10, 15 years ago. So we have a very strong technical depth in our company. So this is an overview of today's presentation. So I'll start with the problem statement. So what is it that we are trying to do? What problem we are trying to solve? How do we do it? What is our robotics platform? What is our AI product that helps to solve that problem for the retailers? What's our business model? I'll talk about the reaction that our product has had in the market from customers, how it has been adopted. I'll go into some of the technical challenges that we faced, an overview of our technology, and how we overcame those challenges, and talk about also how our robot and technology has been received by the shoppers, so the folks who go to the retail stores, to buy products like us. And something which I find personally very interesting, what could be its long-term societal impact. So you have a robot in a public space like a retail store, and how that would impact the evolution of AI and robotics in society. And then lastly, I would like to talk a little bit about our experience as consumers of technology, which suppliers in the robotics, CV, and AI ecosystem they provide, and how we use them, and what's our wish list. So if we had like a magic wand, like how we could make that ecosystem more responsive to folks like us.